Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to make some washing up liquid. Now I've run out and I usually get refills, but I thought I'd make my own with some leftover soap nuts that I have in the cupboard. Super easy recipe, so let's get into it. For this, you are going to need some soap nuts or soap berries. And I just try and make sure that I get them ones that are ethically sourced. You will need about a cup, not very much at all, it's about 100 grams or so. Pop the soap nuts into a pot and add about 6 cups of water. Bring it up to the boil and leave it to boil for about 20 minutes, and you can see all the soap forming on the surface. Take it off the heat and leave it to completely cool before you go any further. Get a muslin cloth and a sieve. You're going to strain it through that just to get rid of all the bits. Squeeze every last bit out. These soap nuts you're finished with for now, so you can pop them into your compost. This is an old shampoo bottle with a squirty top, and pop that lovely soapy mixture in. All that's left to do now is wash the dishes. I use a couple of squirts depending on how hard or soft your water is. A little bit more squirts if your water is harder and less if it's softer. And you can see all the bubbles forming, that's all the soap. And just go ahead and have fun washing your dishes. Now, this definitely is not as strong as commercial washing up liquid, but it does the job, so happy days. That is it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked it, thumbs up and pop over, say hi on Instagram and share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't and you'd like to join me next week. Until then, have a wonderful week. Bye.